when you are a small boy like this, when you grow, sometimes, in the first or couple of years of your birth, or when you become 9 or 10 years, or sometimes during your marriage, they do Diksha. That means, you are kind of becoming a real Sharana. From normal person, you are becoming a Sharana. So he got that Veerashaiva Diksha from Rekhanatha Acharya and took the dancing and singing as his work and worshipping Shiva. Can you imagine? Even dancing and singing is the way of worshipping Shiva. That was his work. Okay? Like again, he was so famous. Another famous dancer, Jakkaya Yakshanatha, with the title of Vidya Sharaba Berunda. He was also a great dancer. He had a fame title had given. For example, I don't know how many of you know our Kannada heroes and heroines. Some heroes, they give some name, right? Natasarvabhauma is given a name, title for the Rajkumar because of his great acting, right? Sahasa Simha for Vishnuvardhan. I don't know, you don't know. Do they know any current people? Power star is for, yeah. So like, he was called as Vidya Sharaba Berunda. He was a great dancer. And he challenged, you remember his challenge. He told, if I defeat, I will definitely defeat you. If I don't defeat, I am going to the forest for 3 days. I will take the donkeys and I will work with the donkey for 3 days. If I don't win. Look at the challenge. Then Chodaya, for Chodaya, this is not a challenge. And if somebody challenges, you are willing to dance because it is worship for him. So both of them again started dancing. Usually at the time, they used to have elevated platform, built in maybe bamboo or something, and they will be dancing on that. Okay, they were dancing again, and looking at the various ability of Chodaya, the way he was dancing, finally Jakkaya, after several hours, he fell down to his feet and declared, Chodaya is our Guru. But remember, still his name is Chodaya. Let's see why he got Bahurupi. Bahurupi, there is a reason why he got the Bahurupi. And this Chodaya, he was such a Sharana. He used to, whenever he used to dance, people used to give him some kind of money or any gift they used to give. And he never used to keep any gift more than what he required. Always he used to do dasoha. And he was continuously doing the dasoha. Suddenly in his mind, I am doing all this small dasoha. Let us do a big Ganaparva or Ganaradhane. That means calling a lot of people and feeding them. And when you want to do it naturally, it is like a marriage. You have to spend a lot of money, right? He is an ordinary dancer and singer. Where he will get the money? Okay? So he went to a king. He went to the nearby king and he asked, can you help me? Can you help me to make this Ganaradhane? So he asked for 10,000 gold coins from the king. Then king naturally asked, if you ask some money, you'll ask some money from your daddy, right? Did you ask?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you will tell?
I need the money to do something. I need the money to do something.
I will ask why it is required, right? Then if it is very alright, he will give you the money. Otherwise,
No.
he will say no, right? Suppose you are asking only small, $1, $2. You ask him, I want $5,000. What he will do?
You say no way.
So usually when small children ask, either you get no answer, right? Suppose your daddy wants money, what he will do? He has to go to a bank. In the bank, what they will ask? Okay, we'll give you a loan, but what you have to give as a surety? Surety, you have to give your house, or you have to give your watch, or you have to give something, right? So he asked, what is the surety you have? He is a poor Sharana, he knows only how to dance and sing. But he was singing one particular raga called as Ramakriya Raga. After looking at this Ramakriya Raga, I got worried. I don't know what it is. If any of the kids will ask me what is Ramakriya Raga, what I am going to answer? Because these are very smart. Ramakriya Raga is one of the Carnatic music system. It's a one special raga in, like Maya Madhava Gauda, like that. There are many ragas are there. In that it is Ramakriya Raga. And he was singing so nicely, nobody was singing like him. He was so fluent. And if anybody hears, their whole soul used to be, swelling, and they used to get the feeling. He told Raja, I'm an ordinary dancer, I'm a singer, I don't have anything to give. But I am famous for this raga. If you want, I will give that raga, I will never ever sing that raga again. No, it's a big sacrifice. You might have heard, if he is a good dancer, he is a good singer, and you tell him to not to sing and not to dance, it's very, very hard for them to sacrifice. Right? Like you are studying, your daddy tells now, don't study. How do you feel? Good. This is what you are going to cry. I want to study. I want to study.
Mobile.
My God, I was, when I was like you, 3 days I didn't eat food. Why? You know why? My father said, don't study. Can you believe? No, he got me to study. That's why I didn't eat. Okay, so he gave his raga to him. He gave. I will not. Then he told, okay, let us sing the song. Let us see how good it is. And he started singing. He started singing for several minutes. The king was so much mesmerized. After hearing that singing, simply took the money without a word. He gave it to him. 10,000 gold coins, big money, right? This guy took that money and had a big dasoha, Ganaradhane, and he fed all the Shiva Sharanas. Then he stopped singing that song. Remember, this guy was singing that song when he was worshipping Lord Shiva. And Lord Shiva this is something where this goes from a story to like a Purana. You can believe this, or if you like, or you cannot. If you don't want to believe, you don't have to believe. But this is how the story goes. The Shiva was listening all this song every day. He was so much accustomed. So if your mummy is singing some song every day you are listening, right? One day she doesn't sing, what will happen to you? Last why didn't you sing, right? Same thing. This guy was singing all his life, he stopped singing. Okay? So Shiva got upset. Why is this fellow is not singing? Then he came down in the form of a Jangam. His name, with the name Naginatha. He came to his house. Chodaya, why are you not singing this song? Then Chodaya tells, Swami, I have given this to my king. Until I give his money back, I cannot sing that one. Then Naginatha, tried to, force him in many ways. He didn't agree. And appreciating his sincerity, he has given a word. For giving a one word, for example, Shailesh, you give a word to your mummy. This week I am going to study 10 hours. What you will do?
He is looking at the mom.
Hopefully study.
Study for 12 hours.
Hopefully study.
Hopefully study. Okay.
Hopefully.
So, but you maintain your word, right? That's good. Give me. Very important. So he maintained the word. He was not singing it. Then Naginatha got so much impressed, and I told him, don't just sing or dance. You start singing Shiva Sharanas. Sing like different Shiva Sharanas and spread this Vidashaivism everywhere. Let the people understand the greatness of Shiva Sharanas through you. So this guy started wearing the different costumes. One time, different Shiva Sharanas, and he was even wearing the saris and everything to show the Shiva Sharanis. And when he wears, he was so natural, such a great actor, such a great singer. People used to feel that really that Shiva Sharana has come and dancing. So he should take different forms. He went to different villages, and people started liking him so much. They were coming in thousands. People are coming to watch him. So he collected money. He collected money in a couple of years, and immediately he paid back to the king. Then the king told, now you can sing this Ramakriya song. So Chodaya, That's how spread this Veerashaivism everywhere. And I don't know, you saw some movie. If any of you looked at the movie, last we saw Anubhava Mantapa. In that, the Bahrupi Chedoya comes in a different forms, and he comes in a different form. We can take different form. It's just like how the people like Rajkumar has played Kalidasa, has played Mayura, like Operation Diamond Rocket. Everything is like that. Such a great actor he is. And not only that, Chodaya has written many vachanas with a pen name Rekanna Priya Naginatha. Rekanna Priya Naginatha is one of our, in the Namankita we are telling, it is there actually. Rekanna Priya Naginatha.